Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu Sq music, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. In this menu, tap on the clocks option and then tap on alarms. And here we have the list of alarms. As you can see, we don't have any, so let's tap on add alarm. And here we can customize our alarm. We can tap on time, and we can set the time on which the alarm will be activating. We can set the hours, then minutes, and then AM or PM. Once you're done, tap on the check mark. Next option we have is repeat. You can tap on it, and here you can select when the alarm will be active or on which days. For example, you can select once, so it's gonna ring only once. If you select daily, it's gonna be doing this every day. If you select weekday, it's gonna be ringing only on weekdays. If you select weekend, it's gonna work only on weekends. And you can also tap on custom, and here you can select specific days, for example, Wednesday and Friday, and then press the upper button, like this. Below the repeat, we have label. Basically, we can assign the label to this alarm. So for example, wake up. And once you're done, you can tap on done button right here. And here we have our alarm. We can enable it, disable it by tapping on the switch. We can also customize it by tapping on the alarm. We can change the time, the repeat options, and label. And we can also remove the alarm by tapping on it to enter the customization, then tap on delete, and this will remove the alarm clock. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.